Hello everybody. Many have asked me to teach them some Arabic, like at least how to form a sentence or even how written Arabic looks like or how it's done and so on. So I'm creating this simple video and also some other videos just to teach some general Arabic, and I'm naming them Speak Little Arabic. These videos will start from Arabic alphabet. I'm gonna divide them into 4 parts so I can take it easy. And then I will go for more other videos such as talking about how to greet in Arabic and everyday words and everyday sentences, and also maybe we can speak about Arabic fonts and decorate your writing and so on. So today I'm starting with the alphabet. As you can see, these are the Arabic letters, 28 Arabic letters. Um, 25 are constant and 3 are vowels. These are the vowels letters: A, Wow, and Ya. Why this is important, I'm naming these just for the future because um, theoretically you can omit these vowels in written Arabic, but you have to also indicate them um, by using marks, um, by using marks above and under the letter, which we're gonna speak about later on when we are trying to form a sentence or we're trying to form a verb. Just remember these 3 letters: Alif, Waw, Ya, A, O, E. Now there are some equivalent letters in English, but I'm not gonna go that path. So I'm gonna start like from scratch and see how this will go. So today we're gonna write and learn the first 7 letters here, which by the way we start from the right to left, so it's gonna be the other way. So Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha. These are the 7 letters. Now I'm gonna Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha. Now you need to remember 2 things when you are saying Arabic alphabets. There are for every letter there is the name of the letter, and then there's how it's pronounced. Now the name of the letter, for example, it will be like the former name, Alif. How do you pronounce it? You pronounce it like A. Ba, you have a name of Ba, and then you pronounce it as B. So when you are saying the Arabic alphabet, you go with the names of the letters: Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha. And when they are in the word, you only pronounce how they sound, as A or as B. Now, let's start again. The first letter in the Arabic alphabet is Alif. You can see it as this, or you can see it as just a straight line. And the name is Alif. And it pronounced as A. The second letter and the third and the fourth, which is ba, ta, tha, they are technically the same. As you can see, the difference between them is just how many points and the position of the point. The ba or b has 1 point, 1 dot, which is underneath the arc. Ta or as pronounced it inside the word is T, has 2 points on the top of the arc, and then tha, T-H-A, is the T-H inside the word tha, which is the arc with 3 points on top. You might find this letter like in this shape when you have the arc and there is 3 dots. That's also depending on the kind of font you are using or the one who's writing Arabic is using. The T also can be the arc, and then you will find a dash like this in order to represent the 2 dots. There's absolutely no problem with that. You might find them like this. Also, it's the same, just depending on the font, which we're going to talk about some other time. Now, alif, ba, ta, tha. Now, the second 3 group is jim, ha, and kha. Now, to draw this one is really simple. You just draw a rectangular and have a half a circle and with a dot between inside the circle. And here you have jim. Jim. Or this is what can be J in English. Ha, I don't think there is any equivalent in English. Ha, we can ha. I don't think there's an equivalent, so you're gonna have to learn this one from scratch. Ha, just a rectangular, a triangular, and then a circle with no dots at all. And then kha, and also pronounced as khe. I don't think this is the English equivalent, but that's how it's usually written. Khe, again, triangular with a dot on top of the triangle. So these are the same also the other 3 3 letters in the first 7 alphabets. So we have alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, and kha. Now, again, let's start them again. Alif, ba, just to draw an arc and put a dot in the middle. Ta, also another arc with 2 points, 2 dots. Tha, the same, but 3 dots. Jim, triangular with a half a circle and a dot inside the circle. Ha, no dot, just a triangular and half a circle. And then kha, triangular, and then a circle with a dot on top. So these are the 7 first letters in the alphabet. Now, you might say a word that doesn't have these, or might have similar letters but completely different shape. Now you need to remember something about Arabic. Depending on the position of this letter inside the word, either at the beginning of the word or in the middle, or at the end, the shape of these letters or any other letters will definitely change. Let me give you an example. Alif at the beginning will stay Alif because Alif will not be able to connect with the word behind it, so it will sound like this and it will look like this. So this is definitely an Alif. If it came in the middle, Alif connect with the word behind it, before it. So you will find it like this. It still can't connect with the word behind it, but only connect with the word before it. So the Alif will look inside the word like this. For example, I'm just gonna write an example. Kitab. So this here is the Alif, and I pronounce it as Kitab, this meaning book. I pronounce it like this, Kitab. We'll talk about other letters some other time. Now, the ba, ta, and tha are the same regarding how they look at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the word. For example, ba at the beginning will sound like this, will look like this. Ta will look like this. Tha will look like this. This is at the beginning. And just remember, we go from right to left. So here is the beginning, and here is the font or the line is going to connect with the word afterward. So you have ba, you have ta, and you have tha. Now in the middle, it will be simple. It will have a line and then just like this, just like a small slot, and the dot underneath it, that will be ba, and then that will be ta, and then that will be tha. At the end is easy because it's technically the same shape but with a connection with the word before it. For example, kalb, meaning dog, and that's the ba. Now again, jim, ha, kha also have the same rule regarding being at the front, at the middle, or at the end. So you have at the end will start with a triangular and no half circle. Just the line is moving to the second letter. Same as ha and same as kha. Just a triangular with no need for the half circle. Now in the middle, this is a little bit, might be difficult for some. This is the line coming from the letter before, and you just make a Z and continue for the second letter. And put a dot here, that will be jim. No dot, that will be ha. And then with a dot on top, that will be kha. So the only things you have to do when you are writing in Arabic, just to leave space for this letter, and that will be it. Just make a zigzag, a Z, and that will be it. Now also you might find some people writing jim like this. That's totally fine, that's still jim, but that's a completely different font as well, which we're gonna speak about later on. And ha will be also the same. And kha also the same. At the end of the word, also the letter will be complete, a triangular, a circle, and just a connection with the letter before it. For example, milh, and this is the ha in this letter. Now in this first part we covered we covered the first three alphabets in the Arabic alphabet, alif, باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء. I wouldn't focus on you now in order to remember them. I just want you to feel comfortable with them in order to be able to identify them in a word or even practice writing them, and practice differentiate between them, because that might help you later on identify words, reading them, and also maybe reply to something. So these are the first alphabet, and this is our alphabet part 1 video. Next I will work on the alphabet part 2, which is I'm going to talk about the second 7 letters in the Arabic alphabet. Thanks for watching, and please, if you would like to ask me anything, drop me a line either in the comments below or drop me an email, and I will make sure I will reply to you. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.